Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Sagicor Bank Jamaica has placed the lands under mortgages for the Hambani estate development owned by First Rock Real Estate Investments into receivership. This action announced today comes after what Sagicor described as months of good faith efforts to reach a fair and sustainable resolution. The decision excludes one lot that has been fully paid for. Sagicor Bank said the outcome was reached after exhausting all reasonable alternatives with a focus on protecting the interest of clients, employees, shareholders, and the broader community. The bank reiterated its commitment to operating with prudence, transparency, fairness, and integrity. Meanwhile, First Rock Real Estate has stated it's working to refinance the Sagicor Bank facility, which has now reached maturity. The company is actively engaging another financial institution to fully repay the loan and expects to finalize new financing soon. First Rock noted that Sagicor Bank has already taken possession of the remaining lots. The luxury Hambani estate project, situated at 1-3 Bamboo Avenue in Kingston 6, is about 90% complete, featuring 12 standalone villas designed to appeal the ultra-wealthy. First Rock said practical completion of the project has already been achieved and that there is a wait list for the 3 unsold units. Once refinancing is secured, the company anticipates completing the project within 3 months. Now, all categories of fuel will see significant declines effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline will fall by $2.65, and the price of 90 gasoline will see a $2.64 decline. Automotive diesel will see $1.31 being shaved off, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by the same amount. Kerosene will decline by $2.17. The cost of propane and butane will fall by 25 cents. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. Now, the JSE index declined by 1,595 points, while the junior market index fell by 21 points. The winners include Consolidated Bakeries, MFS Capital Partners, Jetcon Corporation, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and SAS Bryden & Sons Holdings. The losers include ISP Finance Services, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Lasco Distributors, and JMMB Group Limited 8.50% US dollar shares. To some currency trading now. Trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $160.34. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.20. The pound is going for $196.62, while the euro is selling for an average $181.14. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.